SVA, Ontario.
For the following localities in southern Ontario: Belleville, Kent West, eastern Northumberland County.
What the frick? What? You funny.
Coburg, Colborne, Banks Park. Conditions are favorable for the development of severe thunderstorms that may be capable of producing strong wind gusts and heavy rain. Hazards: wind gusts of 70 to 90 kilometers per hour. Localized heavy rainfall with 30 to 50 millimeters. Timing: this afternoon and evening. Discussion: thunderstorms are expected to develop this afternoon. These thunderstorms may be very slow moving and could produce very localized heavy rainfall if they remain in place over one area. Strong wind gusts and small hail are also possible. Strong wind gusts can toss loose objects, damage weak buildings, break branches off trees, and overturn large vehicles. Hail is also possible. Heavy downpours are likely to cause flash floods and water pooling on roads. Severe thunderstorm watches are issued when atmospheric conditions are favorable for the development of thunderstorms that could produce one or more of the following: large hail, damaging winds, torrential rainfall. Please
Another SVA, what? Uh-oh.
Send an email to onstore@ec.gc.
Another one.
Or tweet reports using us. For more information, https://
Severe thunderstorm watch again.
PE-prepare-emergency. Lightning kills and injures Canadians every year. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. Emergency Management Ontario recommends that you take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches.
Yeah, let's go. That's new. Peter Blow is in this. I can confirm. Peter Blow is in this.
Severe thunderstorm watch in effect by Environment Canada. Issued at 15:06 UTC, June 2nd, 2023. For the following localities in southern Ontario: Tamworth, Sydenham, South Frontenac, Stirling, Tweed, Madoc, Merrickville-Wolford, Cantville, Westport, Charleston Lake, Rockville, Prescott, Kananaquee, Malorica, Maxville, Alexandria, Cornwall, Lancaster, Winchester, Newington, Morrisburg, Long Sault, Haliburton, Minden, Southern Haliburton County, Bancroft, Hastings Highlands, Denby, Callagher, Bannockburn, Bon Echo Park.
This is the first SVA of the spring.
Apsley, Woodview, Northern Peterborough County, Lindsay, Southern Clogg Lakes, Peterborough City, Lakefield, Southern Peterborough County, Prescott and Russell, Petalia, Pembroke, Cawthon, Bay, Killaloe, Redford, Arnpier, Killabrogee, Smiths Falls, Perth, Eastern Lanark County, Charlotte Lake, Western Lanark County, Ottawa North, Canada, Orla Copyright Inns, Ottawa South, Richmond, Metcalfe. Conditions are favorable for the development of severe thunderstorms that may be capable of producing strong wind gusts, large hail, and heavy rain. Hazards: wind gusts of 70 to 90 kilometers per hour. Pea to dime-sized hail. Large hail can damage property and cause injury. Strong wind gusts can toss loose objects, damage weak buildings, break branches off trees, and overturn large vehicles. Heavy downpours can cause flash floods and water pooling.
Dang, activating, dude. Just.
Severe thunderstorm watches are issued when atmospheric conditions are favorable for the development of thunderstorms that could produce one or more of the following: large hail, damaging winds, torrential rainfall. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment.
Nice, there is a.
For reports of
What?
weather, send an email to onstore@ec.gc.ca or tweet reports using Unstorm. For more information, https://www.ontario.ca/page/be-prepare-emergency. Lightning kills and injures Canadians every year. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. Emergency Management Ontario recommends that you take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches.
What does he mean by that?